Hello everyone. In previous class we are here are trying to run our script. So for this script we earlier we write here used d. So there that is not correct. So simply a use function is here. Use function is here. Simply write now right now simply write like a node server C server.js, enter, server is just started. Server is just started. Okay. I want to test this. I want to test this with a postman. With postman. I will open my postman. I will open my postman. Okay. What is the URL? Simply get and 8080. Simply write here module 1 means transaction. Send the JSON format. Okay. Send. Four zero four not found. I think I did some mistake. Okay. Okay, that's wrong. HTTP colon localhost. Ganesh. Okay, simply directly we will open my browser. Think localhost 8080 module 1. Cannot get module 1. Why this is happening? Node server .js server is started. Yeah, this is the default get request. This is the default get request from transaction module. See here, this is a default get request from transaction module. Ganesh, this is a request from slash Ganesh URL pattern. This is a request from slash Ganesh URL pattern. If I open now Postman, if I open now Postman, allow access. See Ganesh, then definitely we will get response. This is a request from slash URL pattern. Okay. Suppose I write here account or here module 2 means it is coming from the account module. It is coming from the account module. This is from account module with slash ACC URL pattern. These all things with Postman I will provide in your notes on Telegram group. Okay. So these are URLs. Okay, thank you for watching this lecture. So in next lecture, we are going to discuss more interesting things. Just stay tuned with this channel. Okay.